Hey guys, happy 4th of July of the USA. Today we'll be lighting up some fireworks. Well, only at daytime. I'll do part 2 when it's nighttime. So right now, we're doing some smoke bombs. So you're gonna need smoke bombs and a lighter. Please have adult supervision when handling your fire. So yeah, let me open it, set out, and start lighting these up. Alright guys, so the best way to do it is near the row. So I'm gonna put it near the crack so lights. Trying to get the lighter to work. Alright guys, I got it to work. This one should be nice pink. Pretty cutter. They don't last that long. Yeah, let's get ahead and start another one. Alright guys, we're gonna do blue this time. Let's go. Alright guys, here's blue. Pretty blue one. I like the cutters. Alright. Here's a gray one. Oh, this one's going towards me. Good, that's near the wind, not against the wind. So here's a gray one. Alright, here's the yellow one, guys. That ain't last one. That's clouds. And here's the green one. Oh, that one fall. Pretty green one. Like a teal blue. But yeah, that's all the fireworks set up for the smoke bombs. Like I said, I'm gonna like more tonight. Have adult supervision if you're gonna deal with fire. And stay safe, guys. And a happy 4th of July from me. This is the outfit I made for my doll. Again, see you guys next time. Bye.